Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about overlapping of audiences and how you can avoid that. I don't believe so much to overlapping audiences as long as the results are there, but still, let's discuss it for some of you that you are fixated with that. Now that the channel is becoming bigger and bigger, I meet with several people and I can understand that you're watching all of my videos and you understand that I don't care so much about theory when you cannot prove it with results. It's like mathematics, okay? You can talk about, or maybe theory physicists, okay? They can talk all about they want about the string theory, but it's not proven yet. Or maybe I'm wrong, but anyway, it's an example, okay? So let's say about another example, just to be sure, about the black holes, for example, okay? They say that when you enter a black hole, you can exit out on not. I messed it up completely because this is not my subject. You see what is happening when you talk about something that it's not, that is not about. Forget it. No, I'm not going to abandon my effort to do this example. So what I'm trying to say is that you don't enter physically in the black hole, because if you enter, you're going to be annihilated or you are going to become a macaroni. I'm saying that theorist physicists believe that at the end of a black hole, on the other side from a wormhole, there's a white hole, as they call it, okay? There you go, I said it, let's go on out of Facebook ads that it's easier for me. So, in theory, we have audience overlap, okay? In theory. What's the problem with that? I don't care so much about audience overlap as long as the results are there. If we're having audience overlap and my ROAS is 5, I don't care. A lot of people care about that, okay? Just because they want to think in a complex way, just because they want to make their life difficult. I meet more and more people that they just want to think in a complex way when you should not, because Facebook ads are already complicated. And this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to simplify them for you. In my opinion, you should not care about the audience overlap, but there are some accounts that they have audience overlap and it's a problem there. When it's a problem, when the ROAS is not there and we see very high frequencies, okay? So, in my opinion, when you are having a problem like this, you should target more broadly. If you cannot target more broadly, let's analyze it a little bit more further now. When Facebook is saying about audience overlap, they're talking about audience overlap because they want you to do just one ad set that is going to have a massive budget. We don't like that as a strategy. The consolidation is something that I totally disagree with and you should not do it. There is a way for you, if you're targeting broad audiences and you're doing my methods, to actually be able to target always fresh people. If this is your model, okay, and you don't want to retarget people within your cold traffic ads, or you want to always try to get new people. I disagree also with that, because I think that when you have a sustainable brand, you need to retarget also your previous leads and not try to always get new clients. New clients are going to come eventually with the cold traffic ads, but you should not always try to get new clients from Facebook ads and not caring about retargeting them through your cold audience or with your retargeting ads. That being said, I disagree with the audience overlaps. I believe that you shouldn't care about them. This is why I'm doing the crazy method after all, which a lot of people consider full audience overlap. And second thing, I don't believe in consolidation of the ads like Facebook is proposing. I'm going to actually do a video that is going to explain why consolidation of ads is bad. I'm having a whole ad account, which I'm running ads with my way, and then the owner decided that he wanted to run one ad with a big budget to get out of the learning phase and stuff. And we can see that the difference is huge, okay? And now I'm this irritating guy that you had to listen to all of this until we go to the solution. So what is the solution for the people that they don't care about my opinions?
I couldn't give a flying flamingo what your view is. Thank you very much indeed.
And they just don't want to have audience overlap. In your custom audience in the Facebook Ads Manager, you can go and we have created in the past these audiences, which is all about the people who engage with your Facebook and your Instagram ads. It's called people who engage with Facebook or Instagram page. A lot of times people have the misconception and they believe that this is all about the posts or the comments that someone is leaving on their page, on their actual posts. Let me tell you that whenever you're doing ads, they are also considered posts. So whoever is engaging with those, it's actually engaging with your Facebook page or Instagram page. That means that first of all, you should use them for retargeting in your middle of funnel. We have a whole video about retargeting about that. But that means that if you're having, for example, one video that you're playing in your ads, even 1 second is considered engagement. So if you want to target always fresh people, you can create this audience of people who engage with your social media, Facebook and Instagram, 2 different custom audiences, and you can exclude them in your cold traffic campaign so that you can target always fresh people. So what is going to happen when you're going to do that? You're going to have, for example, a CBO campaign, which is going to have 5 ad sets, and each one inside is going to, I don't care about the audiences that you will use, if you will use crazy method or whatever, but inside there you're going to exclude the people who engage with Facebook and your Instagram page. Now, that means that each ad set is going to target different people from each other, because whoever is engaging in one ad is not going to be targeting in the other, and so on. So with that way, if you're targeting a very broad audience and you just want to get, just because this is how your business is, you want to get only fresh people, for example, you have, for example, a course with lifetime access. Okay, that means that you want to get only fresh people. This is the way to do it, so that you're not going to, because a portion of your spend, even on your cold traffic ads, it's targeting again the same people or people that they might have converted. Okay, so this is the way for you to always target fresh people. I cannot tell you that it's going to be super effective. I'm just giving you a solution. I have seen it working with several brands. And to be honest with you, I'm using it also in several accounts that I manage, but whenever it's needed based on the needs of the company that I'm doing the ads for. I hope that I didn't confuse you a lot. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, don't forget to check my course or my book, and until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.